We are what we repeatedly do. We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, then, not an act, but a habit. हम जो हैं अपनी आदतों का परिणाम है. हमारा जो चरित्र है, our character basically is a composite of our habits. To form a habit, let's understand that you sow a thought in your mind and you reap an action. Once you sow that action, you reap a habit. Once you sow that habit, you reap an character. Once you sow that character, what you reap is that's the destiny. So today, you are successful or not. If you are successful, whether you're happy with it or not, the only thing that is responsible for it is our habit or habits. The question comes, how exactly we install these habits? So to understand this bit more, we need to understand the habits in three different intersections. So we will divide them in a manner that we will say KSD. Now K stands for the knowledge. Knowledge, the what to do, why to do, and skill, how to do. And the D, that stands for desire. Desire is that motivating force which keeps you encouraging to do that as a routine based, to help you to have that action make your habit or get that ingrained in your mind. What happens once you do that? It helps you to improve yourself within yourself. So what one need to do to form these habits, to find out what exactly you want to do, that's you only can decide, that's you only can find out. So there is a way to do it. How about if I ask you or encourage you to do a self-audit? Now self-audit is something you sit idle, do that self-reflection, sit in self-reflection and try to find out, or maybe try to measure yourself on a scale of 1 to 10. Now, for example, let us understand I am at number 2 at the moment and I want to be at 5 and 10. So, before I think of 5 and 10 to reach there, I need to try to get to 3, then 4, then 5. Because a wise person once said very nicely that the journey of 1,000 miles that starts with step 1. And there can be only one at one time. So plan your things in a manner, because see, our mind is something like that, the piece of land that if you sow a seed in that, you get the exact fruit out of it. Now it depends. If you sow the seed of a poison, it will give you poison only. And if you sow the seed of positiveness or maybe that right habit you want to install, it give you the result of that only. So that's how powerful our mind is. One need to understand and to respect your mind, your thoughts, because they are very powerful. Because if we won't identify our thoughts, someone else will use our mind to fulfill their own dreams. So you need to take call that whether you want to be the driver or maybe navigating your own habits and your destiny, or someone else will use us to fulfill their own dreams, or maybe the great glory they're supposed to achieve. So decide yours, and please keep learning and keep sharing with others. Thank you.